Hey, Dave Falch here. Today we're going to be talking about the Jellyfish UAP FLIR video. From the symbology, I can tell that this is a Wescam system. And the collective thought it's probably some version of an MX-20 mounted to an Aerostat, which is tethered to the ground. Typically, the first thing people think is it must be some kind of dead bug or bird poop on the window. These windows are exposed to a lot of debris and get filthy for sure. However, the infrared optics see through this debris in the front window, and it's usually not an issue. Allow me to explain. There is a wide range of focusing for the infrared optics. When changing magnification, the focus lens is used to focus the scene at a particular focal length. Infrared focal lengths are set far beyond the focal length of the front window. Therefore, the infrared optics effectively see through any debris on the window. Latex balloons are hard to detect with infrared. You might see an outline of the balloon, but they're almost completely see-through. These balloons don't have a significant thermal signature and blend in easily with the terrain. You most likely won't see them at all. Mylar balloons, or foil balloons, have a very low emissivity. Emissivity represents a material's ability to emit thermal radiation and is an optical property of matter. These balloons are mostly reflective of thermal radiation, like floating mirrors as I call them. It's common for Mylar balloons to move erratically as they are prone to tumbling and shifting directions with the wind. However, that varies depending on how full the balloon is with helium. Sky lanterns have a distinct thermal signature. The heat that fills them is obvious, yet you can still see the paper in certain angles. You can even see the flame flickering inside and puffs of heat exiting the hole. Drones are usually recognized by their movements and their propulsion. Due to balance and weight concerns, I think it's safe to rule out the possibility of a drone. Let's go ahead and take a look at this system. At first, it kind of resembles a cracked detector. Then the next thing I thought of was a bad pixel cluster. I ruled this out when I saw it moving in reference to the reticle. Dead pixels don't move, nor does the pixel kill, as far as I know. Jellyfish was manually tracked. Was there a problem with the automatic tracker? Could it not lock on? That's totally plausible, considering the contrast shift of the target. Trackers lock on more easily with high contrast, slow-moving targets. If the contrast of the target shifts, then it breaks lock on. Was it some other camera anomaly, such as the ghosting that my thermographer picked up on the Sky Lantern video? Not likely. Out of all the different systems that I've worked on, I haven't seen an anomaly like this. Okay, so what is this thing? Besides the lack of movement in the XYZ axis, the auto gain level that the object does itself is intriguing. It's almost as if it's adapting or sampling. It doesn't seem to be directly reflecting the surrounding environment. So, if I had to guess, I would say this is an unknown black DARPA project that was tested with our current systems for research and development. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time.